Hello students, now let us deal with subtraction. So first we'll start with subtraction without regrouping. So first we have to subtract 7,25,013 from 9,58,347. So first students, in without regrouping, what we have to do, first we have to arrange the number in columns. So first write down the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. Then start arranging it from the ones place. So here students, see, this is the bigger number and this is the smaller number. So we have to subtract bigger number. Yes or no? We have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So now we have to first arrange the bigger number, that is 9,58,347. So arrange it from the ones place. 7, 4, 3, 8, 5 and 9. Next we have to subtract 7,25,013. So you will write 3 here, 1, 0, 5, 2 in 10,000 place and 7 in lakhs place. Now 7 minus 3, start subtracting it from the ones place. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 0 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3 and 9 minus 7 is 2. So students, in this what you have to do, first you have to arrange the number in columns. Then what you have to do, we have to start subtracting it from the ones place. So we will subtract ones place, then tens, then hundred, and then we will move forward. So students, now we are going to deal with subtraction with regrouping. So students, see here what we have to subtract: 2,39,856 from 4,52,153. So first of all, what we do, we have to write the places till lakhs, since it is a 6-digit number. Now we have to subtract 2,39,856 from. So students, what we have to do, we have to arrange it from the ones place. So you will write 3 here, 5 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place, 2 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000 place and 4 in lakhs place. Minus, again start arranging it from the ones place. 6, next 5, next it will be 8, now it will be 9 here in thousands place, next 3 in 10,000 place and next 2 in lakhs place. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract it. We have to start the subtraction from the ones place. So students, can we subtract 6 from 3? No, it is not possible, because 3 is a smaller number. So we have to make it 13. We have to make it 13. Now students, 13 minus 6 will be 7. Now what we will do, we will reduce 5. We will reduce 5 to 14. Now 14 minus 5 is 9. Next, again we have to reduce this to 10. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. Next, again 9 is bigger, then we have to make it 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Next, see here, it is the bigger number, so we will just reduce it by 1. So we will reduce it by 1, so it will become 4. 4 minus 3 will be 1. Next, 4 minus 2 will be 2. So students, first what we have to do, first we have to arrange the given numbers in columns. Then what we have to do, we have to subtract the numbers after arranging them. So this is subtraction with regrouping method.